Welcome to our AACSB conference attendee walkthrough of the Hopin platform. We hope this quick tutorial is beneficial as you prepare for the conference. First and foremost, make sure that you're using Google Chrome as your internet browser. The platform works best with Google Chrome and your overall event experience will be better. Once you enter, you're taken directly to the Welcome tab of the conference. The platform is broken up into 3 different sections. On the left side, you have the navigation panel. The middle is the main section, and the far right side is the interactive features panel, where you can find the chat box, polls, attendee list, as well as our AACSB Twitter feed. Here on the Welcome tab, you'll see our welcome message, which includes some helpful tips and links. And if you continue to scroll, you can see our sponsors. And then at the bottom, you'll see the schedule of events. The schedule of events is separated by day, and here you can see the time of the event, the name of the event, a brief description, as well as where in Hopin it is located. Keep in mind that our agenda may be developed for a global audience, so scroll through the agenda to find the best session time for your time zone. Now let's click the Stage tab. The Stage tab is where our keynotes, conference welcomes, and general sessions will take place. You will notice that a stage panel has now appeared in addition to our event panel on the right side. Under the stage panel is the stage chat and the AACSB Twitter. You can place any questions or comments in the stage chat when you're in this area, and you can still toggle between the main event panel and the stage panel. Now let's go to the Sessions tab. The Session tab is where the majority of the sessions will take place. Think of this as the concurrent session and breakout area. Each session room will appear 5 minutes before the session begins, and you can click the room you wish to enter. Once you enter a session room, you'll notice there's now a session panel in addition to the event panel. Under the session panel, there's the session chat, session polls, attendees, meaning those that are in that session with you at that time, and the AACSB Twitter. In the session chat, please feel free to ask any questions during the session or network with your fellow attendees. Now, if you wish to minimize the speaker or shared presentation, you can simply double-click twice to minimize the video, and you can double-click again to maximize the video. You can also hide the interactive features to have a larger screen as well. In some of our breakout sessions, attendees will have the opportunity to join on video or audio. If you see a button that says share audio and video, you can click this button and join on camera. Now let's go to speed networking. Here you are randomly matched with another attendee, and you can meet for a minimum of 30 seconds to 3 minutes using video and audio. Click ready and you'll be connected to the next available person. Keep in mind that you can only match with someone when they are also in the speed networking tab, so we suggest visiting during designated speed networking break times. Now let's go to the exhibitor or sponsor showcase. This is where exhibitor and sponsor booths will be located. Within each booth, you can watch a pre-recorded video, access links to their website and social media, or connect with them through their booth chat. Also look at the conference agenda for designated times to network with the sponsors and exhibitors, as well as any demo sessions. Now let's go back to the attendees under our event panel. This is where you can find a list of all the conference attendees once they've entered the Hopin platform. You can search for them by name in the search box, or you can filter by event staff, speakers, as well as any connections you made in the speed networking tab. Click on the attendee's name that you wish to connect with, and you can either invite them to a video call or schedule a meeting with them, or you can use the chat box at the bottom and send them a direct message. Once you send a message, they'll receive a notification right here at the top in your direct messages. If you click on the mail arrow at the top, this is where you can see all of your personal direct messages. Finally, let me show you quickly how to edit your profile. If you click on the circle in the right corner, click Edit Profile. Here you can update your image and any of your information and click Save. We hope this was helpful and we look forward to seeing you at the conference.